Microsoft Word Chapter 6, Project 1C. All right, go to your flash drive and open futurehardware.docx and save it with the name 6-futurehardware. Okay, now we're going to actually close this file. The keyboard command is Control F4, which will close the file but leave Microsoft Word open. Okay, now we're actually going to go delete that file. So we're going to go to your Open dialog box and basically just go back to your folder where you have that file. I'm sure you have a bunch of other files in there. I don't. I just have this one because that's where I put it. Now, they want you to go to the Organize button. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to single click this file. Definitely don't double click it because you don't want to open it. And we're going to go to the Organize. Okay, and we're going to go to Delete. And it's going to say, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Because especially when you go from a flash drive, if you hit yes, it's permanent. We can't undo it. In this case, we absolutely want to delete it. Okay, so it's gone. All right, delete selected documents by completing the following steps. Okay, so you're going to go to your flash drive and you're going to go to your data files for Chapter 6. And we want to single click Comp Careers. Again, you're going to have a whole bunch of files in here. So just find Comp Careers, and then you're going to Shift and click, which is for adjacent selection, so that they are both in blue, both files, okay? Now, you're going to get on top of them, and you're going to right-click your mouse, okay? And you're just going to slide down to Delete, and you're going to click Delete. And it says, are you sure you want to? In my case, because I'm working on a hard drive, it says move these two items to the recycle bin. If you're working on a flash drive, you know it's permanent, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes because we are indeed deleting them. Step 5, open Comp Keyboards. Okay? And save it with the name 6-Comp Keyboards. Okay, got it. Step number 6. Save a copy of the 6-Comp Keyboards document in the Computer Docs folder by completing the following steps. Okay, with it still open, which we have it right here, press your F12 key, which you know how to do F12 to do a Save As. Okay, at the Save As dialog box, we want to go to the Computer Docs folder at the top of the content pane. So you created this folder in the last exercise. Okay, so I just grabbed mine because I didn't have it over here, because when I'm doing these videos I move my files around a lot, so sometimes I have to fake it and quick make something on the fly, so forgive me. You should have one right there. Okay, so we are going to save to this. You know how to do this, by the way. You did an F12, you double click the folder where you want to save it, right? And then you just click Save. Pretty easy, correct? Go ahead and close this file, Control F4. And I do Control F4 to leave Word open. If you didn't do that, just reopen Word, it's no big deal. Right? Press Control F12 to display the open dialog box. And then go back to your Chapter 6 homework folder. Right? Okay. Go ahead and flip the page, and let's do Project 1D, copying and moving documents. Okay, so just remember, when the book tells you this WL1C6, that's just your data files for Chapter 6, and you could have named it whatever you want. All right? All right, 1A, click the Comp Turns doc, and that is a single click. Did we put it up here? See, I should pay closer attention to how they have you doing it because I'm always moving stuff everywhere. So single click Comp Turns, right? Then we're going to go to our Organize button. Okay, you guys, I'll tell you right now, I don't use this Organize button because it's an extra click. I right click, but I'm going to do it like the, I'll be good. I'll do it like the book tells you to. So we're going to go up to the Organize button and we're going to go to Copy. And if you notice, this is just the shortcut menu that same thing you would get if you right clicked. Okay, so I went to Comp Terms and then I went to Copy, right? Step B, navigate to the Computer Docs folder by double-clicking Computer Docs. Okay. Click the Organize button and then click Paste. So you can go Organize and Paste, or you can right click and paste. They both do the same thing, correct? Step number 2, change back to your homework folder. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to look up here in this address bar. This is the address bar for where my documents are located. Yours will be completely different, okay? That's okay. You still have something up here in your address bar. And we want to go up one level. So this is the level we're on right now, which is Computer Docs. We want to go up one level to whatever you named your Chapter 6 homework folder, okay? So remember, there could be differences in the book. There could be differences in the way this looks. Just make sure you know how to use your flash drive and find everything. Step number 3, copy several documents to the Computer Docs folder by completing the following steps. A, click Intel Prop. Okay, Intel Prop. Hold down your Control key and click Robots and Tech Info. So Control is for non-adjacent selection. So Robots and Tech Info. And if you miss, just try again. It's no big deal. Just use your Control key while you're clicking. And make sure you hold the Control key down every single time and that you take your finger off the mouse before you take your finger off the Control key. Right? Right. All right, so we have those 3 selected. 3C. Position the arrow pointer on one of the selected documents. Doesn't matter which one. It could be any one of them, and right click. Okay, but you do have to be on top of one of the selected documents. And then we're going to go to Copy. Now double click that Computer Docs folder. And then get into any white area. It doesn't matter where it is, just don't be on top of comp terms. Any white area, right click and paste. Okay, now step number 4, we need to go up a level. So we're in Computer Docs, we need to go up a level to your Chapter 6 folder. And then we're going to move on to step 5. And we're going to move comp issues to the Computer Docs folder by completing the following steps. 5A, position the arrow pointer on comp issues, and then we're going to right click and cut. Okay, so we are going to move something, and when you move it, that's a cut. So we're going to comp issues, right click, and cut. And when you cut it, it kind of ghosts out. Okay? 5B, double click that Computer Docs folder. And then all we're going to do is right click and paste, or you can go to Organize and Paste, doesn't matter. All right, step number 6. Capture the open dialog box as an image and insert the image in a document by completing the following steps. 6A, with the open dialog box open, which is we have right now, press Alt Print Screen. Alt, hold it down, and then your print screen, which is next to the F12. It's an invisible command. You won't see anything happen, and that's okay. Close that open dialog box. Add a blank document. So I need to do a Control-N to get a blank document, right? Just click Paste. And again, you of course could have right-clicked and done Paste. Okay? That's all you have to do. Close this document without saving it. And you're ready to go on to your next video.